Hello, welcome back to SRE Chronicles. We are continuing our Linux tutorial. In today's video, we will learn about Uptime command. But before we get started, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell, like, share, and comment. So the Uptime command, Uptime, in Linux is used to determine how long the system has been running since the last reboot. It also provides the current system time, the number of active users, and load averages over the last one, 5, and 15 minutes. This makes it's a quick and effective tool for assessing system activity and overall Let's execute. Uptime shows the current system time here. Yes. Display how many users are logged in. Our system is up for 48 minutes and display load averages over the last 1 minute, 5 minutes, and 15 minutes. This command gives us a concise snapshot of system health and activity. To display the system uptime is more readable and plain language format, you can use -p option. Uptime -p, pretty. Enter. So our system is up 49 minutes. Has different option, for example, -age or -help. This option prints the help information for the uptime command and then exits. It includes command syntax and list of supported options. It's purely informational and doesn't affect system state. So let's execute uptime-age. You can see usage, uptime, and options. Options could be -p pretty, show uptime in pretty format, -age or -help display this help and exit, -c as signs, system up signs, -- or -- we output version information and exit. Let's clear our screen and execute uptime -s signs. This is useful for tracking how long the system has been running since the last reboot. Other option, uptime -v or uptime -- These options display the version details of uptime command, then exit. It's useful for verifying the installed version of the utility uptime. Let's execute uptime -help. So we execute -p, we execute -age -help, signs, and version. So that's all for this lesson. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit notification bell. See you in the next video.